What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. This is an old unboxing. It's not a mystery unboxing like I have been doing with a lot of these old shoes. I still have probably 8 or 10 pairs behind Peyton that I don't even remember what they all are. I think I remember specifically one, maybe 2 pairs of shoes, one of which I actually want, and I want to wear them. But those are like mystery unboxings because I don't really remember what those are. But this isn't totally like that, but I don't remember it exactly. But there's a couple reasons why I want to open it. Another thing I just need to open really quick just to get it out of the box. So why not put it on camera? But before we go any further, a word from our sponsor, Peyton. Who's our sponsor?
Jesus.
This is Acts 16, 6 through 7. Now, when they had gone through Phrygia and the region of Galatia, they were forbidden by the Holy Spirit to teach the word in Asia. Yeah. Uh-oh. What just happened? My app just died. Gmail is being updated. Thanks a lot, Gmail. So they were not, it's still updating. They were not permitted to go through this area. And I think the next sentence, it's still updating. The next sentence that hopefully I'll get to in a second just talks a little bit more about not being permitted to go there. Like the Holy Spirit just didn't let it happen. And what that kind of led me into this line of thinking of it is if we let the Holy Spirit into all these different areas of our lives, let's say relationships, are you done? Yes, relationships, work, school, what other areas of our lives? Family, what else? Any other area of our life, like and including every single area of our life. He's just going to open up doors and close doors. And if we just trust in him, then there's going to be good reasons why those doors were opened or closed. This is actually a closed door, so it kind of goes with this particular one that I had this one starred in my, oh my gosh, you're updating again? Yep, you're updating again. I guess that means that this is just the Holy Spirit closing this door. So just put it down, Daniel, and just talk about it. So this is kind of a closed door too. I don't think it would be really a significant closed door or anything like that, but I'm going to talk about it anyway. And again, if you just let him into those areas of our lives, trust the Holy Spirit, then he's going to lead us where he wants us to be. And just close doors that need to be closed. I'm pretty sure that this is a pair of shoes that I sold to StockX. I mean, it is one that I sold to StockX because it came back from StockX. And I just put in the wrong size. And I was a little upset with StockX. I'm like, are you kidding me? You didn't take another pair of my shoes? And then I realized that this particular pair was just because I put in the wrong size. This is a size 8 women's Nike Dunk High White Black University Red. Oh, that's a high, yeah. So here it is. Peyton actually wore these shoes in her size today. She doesn't normally wear them, but she did. I had these sitting at a place for a while. This is the original packing. Yeah, and I only made I put this as a size 9.5 women's because I had a size 9.5 women's, but this is a size 8. So I don't know, but whatever. I got it wrong. It was my fault, not theirs. And it's back here. I need to do something with it. Maybe I'll just give it away to somebody at some point.
That was like the fastest shoe unboxing you've ever done.
Yeah, well, this is the shoe that I want us to open today. So I feel like, Peyton, you can tell me whether I'm right or whether you think I'm right or wrong. New Balances are just more hyped than even Jordans are. They have been getting more hyped than Jordans are in the last year. It's more trendy. So I was like, man, I really want a pair of New Balances. I did wear, I don't even know what number New Balance it was, but it was like the old man New Balances that were gray suede. I wore those.
I thought they were tan. I was looking over there.
I don't have them. These are old. Like before you were even born, probably. I wore them. And I liked them. They were fine. But most New Balances don't draw me in. They have no nostalgic value to me, which a lot of the Jordans do. But I do like them. Like the ones that have nice suede and a bunch of, there's actually been a lot of recent, light pink colors. No, your shirt is orangey, not peach. Or peachy.
The light coral.
Yeah, coral. Coral. You know what that's from?
No.
The Walking Dead.
I don't watch
the kid's name is Carl, and his dad is crying, and he said, Coral, Coral. Sounds like he says Coral in The Walking Dead. All right, so I got these because they were hyped, but, I didn't mention it. I take all of the shipping labels off so that you don't see my address when I'm making a video, but these were actually from May 2023, so almost 2 years. It's now almost April 2025. So almost 2 years of these have been sitting around. I do remember, I mean, these are obviously New Balances, and there's only ever been one pair that I got that were an Action Bronson collab, I guess you call them, and hit on these on the New Balance website, obviously. And I think they were worth some money at the time, but now they've been sitting here for 2 years. I don't think they're worth anything now, but I don't even remember what they look like. So we're going to decide whether or not these are going to be a new pair to go in rotation today.
Ooh, I like that.
So we get a little bit of a bodega. Huh. Maybe this is a bodega collab? I don't know.
It's cool.
Kind of some ancient
Greek god.
Greek ruins. New Balance Bodega. So this is not a collab with Action Bronson. This is Bodega. New Balance and Bodega. Why am I thinking they were Action Bronsons? I don't know. So now really I don't know what these look like, but I think they were really colorful. Like had a lot of different colors, like orange, at least some oranges. I might be totally wrong though. So this is a little bit of a mystery unboxing. I just knew that it was a New Balance. What's going on? Blue paper, blue.
Water.
Yeah, watery all over the place. Bodega paper. All right, this is really weird. I don't know what these are. Oh!
Wow.
No orange.
Yeah, you were very
Lots
wrong.
of-
Purple on the bottom.
So there's some purple here, and this is a 90-60. This is actually a silhouette that I've seen a lot more of recently that I liked.
Yeah.
Some really nice nubuck, some really nice suede, some really hairy suede on the tongue. A little bit of purple here, light blue, purple. Okay, purple on the New Balance on the inside. Smells like nothing. We get some.
Laces.
Yeah, I think I like either of these laces better than those, but I don't think it really matters too much. What do you think?
I like them. I definitely thought I was a little worried because of the I thought they were very plain, but I like.
You were worried that they would be plain.
Yeah,
I knew they weren't going to be plain, but these actually are a little more plain than what I thought.
Yeah.
Because I thought they were bright.
And they were just very cool.
I don't know a whole lot about construction or anything of these. Let's just see what this looks like because it's coming out. All right, it's just crap. What is this called again? Ortholite. So I was hoping that there might be a better insole on these. They say New Balance 90-60 here. They say Bodega on the insole. I think that's probably going to be the only place where it says Bodega. I do like these, but they're not significantly different than many of the New Balances, especially this 90-60 that you see on the shelf today.
Yeah.
Right? They just look very similar, don't they?
A little bit,
As
but
far as
usually it's
colorway.
like, not colorway anymore. I mean, that can be like a lighter blue of that, and it's more of like silver and black and white. It's usually those colors.
Not as bright?
Mm.
Okay.
That's
So
why
this
I
is a
think,
little bit brighter.
yeah,
Okay.
it's a little bit more pop than.
I still think that. So this is the one the same silhouette that I was thinking I've seen more recently in the light pink colors. So it's just
Oh, and they do have light pink.
a
of
light pink, like a
white, silver.
Yeah.
I think.
So these are not like they're not jumping out at me, but I do like the colors.
Yeah.
I like these shades of blue.
They're
I got
good
plenty
like
of
vacation. I feel like.
vacation shoes.
Yeah.
Luckily, we're going on vacation next week,
Woohoo.
so maybe I'll wear them.
Yeah.
You don't need to look down here, but let me put them on my feet really quick. Let me just slip it on and see. Got socks on?
Yep.
You got socks on?
Yep.
You put it on.
Ooh, okay, I like this.
Because it's comfortable?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
So, I've sunk however much money into these 2 years ago, so obviously I don't even remember much about where I bought them. I just know that I got them online. We're going to have to take a look and see what these are actually worth.
Look-see.
Hmm?
You're gonna take a look.
Take a little look, see if this phone is willing to work for me. Oh my gosh.
It's got sparkles. No, it's not sparkles.
Hmm?
But it was sparkles. It's just paint dots.
Pink dots. All right, we're gonna see what we have here. New Balance.
Anything black, silver.
9060, right?
Yep.
Bodega. Okay, you're gonna go through all these things 6 times. I saw the shoe, and then it went away, and now it's just.
Please gonna give me some height.
There it is. Bodega Age of Discovery.
Let's see.
These in this size. Oh wow. Okay. The lowest ask is $380. The highest bid is $160. And when the asks and bids are so far apart, that means there's really no hype here. So we're just going to look at the sales of this size. March the 12th. So 312, 220, 131. One sale a month, anywhere from 230 to as much as $300. Yeah, if I could get $300. Oh, and I only paid $180 for them. Maybe I paid shipping, so let's say, and tax. So I probably paid just over $200 for them.
That's not bad. It's like every other shoe.
Yeah. So and $380 is the lowest ask. Man, I might sell these.
Okay,
I'll probably
you can get me actual New Balances.
All right. We'll see. What would you rather have, New Balances or the
Black Shocks?
No, not the Black Shocks. The black Jordan 1 mids, the Space Jams.
I have to see what the New Balances look like.
So it depends on what the New Balances look like.
If there's not like a colorway that I really want.
But you were saying black because of what you had to wear to school.
And really comfortable because I stand for like 2
Yeah, you
hours.
want black and comfortable, of course.
Yeah.
Jordan 1 mids aren't that. Jordan 1s aren't that comfortable. But she wears my Jordan. That's probably what she wears the most of. Either those or the red ones. Probably those two.
Sometimes I feel like bad to wear red because I don't go to Alexander, I go to DC, and it's not my colors. So I was like, eh. So I usually
School colors.
I usually wear the blue.
The blue. Oh.
The blues.
Those?
Yeah.
No, you wear the biohacks
Yes.
more often than you wear the blue ones.
But usually I would want them.
All right. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these. One of y'all tell me, and somebody in the comments on page, I guess it was this shoe, because it was when we went to the mall and we got this shoe. That's when you saw and we talked about the Space Jam mids.
Yes.
And you were like, I want those. Somebody actually said, just get them for her.
Oh, guys.
Somebody said that in the comments. Huh?
It said, "Oh, guys are amazing."
So, y'all let me know what I should do, what I should get her. Again, she needs something comfortable. I don't think Jordan 1 mid is going to be comfortable. They're not bad. There's nothing wrong with them. They're just not that comfortable. So, y'all let me know. Let me know what you think about the Bodega, not the Action Bronson. Action Bronson is what I said, right? That's what I thought they were. The Bodega 9060s. I do kind of like these, and there's not many of them for sale.
They're definitely like your type of vibe.
Because of the colors?
Yeah, and they're like very neutral, and they're not like whoop-how too for you.
Yeah.
And they're pretty chill.
Whoop-how. Y'all let me know what you think. Tell your grandma about these Bodega 9060s. Grandma might like these.
Yeah, Papa might.
At least the colors. Yeah, you might like those too. But y'all tell your grandma. Smash the like button. Tell me what you think about these down below. Tell me what you think about letting the Holy Spirit guide you and just when you know it's the Holy Spirit to shut the door, trusting that the door should be shut or opened. Smash that like button. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute. Wow.
What's that?
Jordan 3 black cement.